Hello and welcome back again to another video. I hope you all are doing so well. Today I'm so excited to share with you how I make this mouth-watering pork pepper soup or pork live soup, which you're going to love it at the end of this video. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do that and be part of this beautiful family. Let's get started. Okay, so for this soup recipe, I will begin by cooking all my vegetables, which is the pepper, carrots. I also added in some okra, which I'm going to top it up with my fufu. I am also going to be needing 2 medium-sized onions, 3 fresh tomatoes, add some water to it, and allow these vegetables to cook until it is soft enough to blend. And now to the main ingredients, we have some fresh pork meat, which I'm going to use for the soup. This is not salted pork. In Ghana, we have salted pork and unsalted pork. This is the fresh unsalted pork that I am using, and I've cleaned this pork very well. Okay, so now let's start to cook the base of the soup. So to a pot, I'm going to add in my fresh pork meat. To that, I'm going to add in my tomato paste or tomato puree, and I placed my pot on fire to start steaming right away. Okay, so to seasoning my pork meat, I'm going to use some blended garlic and ginger paste, some seasoning salt as well, and some homemade pepper soup spice mix. I have the recipe on my channel already. I'll leave the video link in the description box for you to check it out. I added in a salt to taste, add just a little bit of water to it, cover it and allow it to steam until it is nice and juicy. So whilst that is going on, we're going to check on our vegetables, and after 30 minutes the vegetables is soft enough to blend. I am not going to blend the okra. I'm just going to remove it and set it aside and blend the rest of the vegetables. Okay, and yes, we are back to check on our meat. Is doing all perfect right now. So I'm going to give this a very good mix and allow it to cook for extra 10 to 15 more minutes. And to my returning subscribers and new babies right here, you guys are too much. High five to everyone. Thank you for liking my video, sharing and commenting on my videos, fam. I am truly grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after extra 10 more minutes, the soup base is looking all juicy and it smells so good, guys. This smells so good. I was having this sweet smell from the ginger, the garlic, the homemade pepper soup spice mix. Guys, this homemade pepper soup spice mix is a must-have because it will take your pepper soup and your light soup taste to another level, guys. So I added in my blended vegetables and I'm going to dilute this a little bit with some water, and the water you add to your soup depends on how you want the consistency to be. If you want it too thick, you don't need to add in more water, but if you want it a little bit light, then you can go ahead and add in more water. As you can see, I added in a little bit of water to make it more light. Okay, and I'm going to enjoy this alongside with some fufu. So I'll be adding in my garden eggs. It is optional, and I'll also add in some Idan fruit or precursor, which I already have some in the pepper soup spice mix. This is just to my preference. Okay, now let's cook this soup until it is nice and ready, just like this. This soup looks so appetizing and very mouth-watering. I love this recipe and I hope you're going to try this at home. I am going to pair this soup with some fufu. So now all what is left is for us to serve and enjoy ourselves. And if you are still watching this video at this point and you haven't liked this video, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly do like this video, comment down below, and please do share this video as well. Thank you so much for doing that. And as always, the meat I put on my food It's just for demonstration purposes. So now you all are invited into my house. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point. And if you watch this video to this point, that means you are a proud foodie member. And if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point. Bye bye and stay blessed.